Hey everyone, welcome on my channel. In today's video I solve another cryptarithmetic numerical, that is EAT that equal to apple. Now firstly we write all the carry here. This carry is C1, this carry is C2, this carry is C3 and this carry is C4. Here the value of A we got because of this carry C4. Because of carry C4 we got the value of A, and we know that possible value of carry is 0 or 1, but we know that leftmost value will never be 0, so that we assume C4 value is 1. That's why we got value of A is 1. So that here I write value of C4 equal to 1, so that we got value of A is equal to 1. Now look at this. Here maximum value of t, minimum value of t, on which we add 1 carry, so that we got 1 carry as final output. So what are the possible value of t? That is 9. Possible value of t is 9, because if we add 1 value to 9, then we got 1 as a carry, so that we assume value of t is equal to 9 and value of C3 is equal to 1, so that we got 1 carry as a output. So we take value of t equal to 9 and value of C3 equal to 1, so that we got 1 carry. And here 9 and 9 plus 1 equal to 10, then we got value of p is equal to 0. Now we make equation for this column. So here we write t plus t equal to e plus 10 into c1. Here value of t is already we solved, that is 9. So here we put the value 9 plus 9 equal to e plus 10 into c1. We got 18 is equal to e plus 10 into c1. From this equation we find out that value of e is 8 and value of c1 is 1. So here we write value of e equal to 8 and value of c1 equal to 1. Now we make equation for this second column. So here we write a plus a equal to a plus carry c1 equal to L plus 10 into carry c2. Here value of a is 1, so 1 plus 1 and value of c1 is 1. Okay, so we got L to 10. We got 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is 3. 3 is equal to L plus 10 into c2. From this equations we find out that value of L equal to 3 and value of c2 equal to 0. Okay, so here we write L is equal to 3 and c2 equal to 0. Now we make the equation for this column, that is c2 plus e plus h equal to p plus 10 into c3. Value of c2 is 0, so we put here 0. Value of e is equal to 8, so here we put 8 plus h equal to value of P is equal to 0 plus 10 into value of C3 equal to 1, that is it will be 10. Okay, so here 8 plus H equal to 10. Now value of H equal to 2. We got value of H equal to 2. Now we write here L equal to 3, value of H equal to 2. Find out all possible value for each variable. So bye.